All right, so I'm showing the Pong that still has issues. So if we get close, you can see right now it's off. It's not running. Now I'm going to plug it in. So you see it's going to warm up. The TV is going to warm up and it's still not working. Nothing's on because I have unhooked the video. So there's 3 signals going to the back of the television: the audio, the video signal, and a ground. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you when I hook up the 2 video signals, a picture comes out. So if you stay in the front, I'm going to connect the 2 video signals, and you're going to see the picture come in. So now there should be a picture. So now you can see there's the picture. So that this TV is putting a picture out, and it's connected. So now if you come around to the back, so you can see these 2 connections here. So you see the 2 connections. It's connected. Then I've unconnected them. If we pull them out, we look back at the front of the television. You'll see the TV, it's off. So it's not working. And then I'm going to connect them again while you're still in the front. I'll connect them again. You'll see the picture comes back. Right? Okay, so the picture is there. Now if we come back here, I'm going to grab my multimeter. I'm just going to demonstrate what I've seen. So if I put this on continuity, and I've got the 2 wires here that went to the back of the television. If I take these and I touch the black to the ground of the board, you can hear the beeping. So the black is ground, and then this white I can actually take and go to the video on the board, and you can hear that. That's the video. So the white on this, white is video, black is ground. Now, something I want to just point out, because I don't know if this is going to make a difference. The ground on this board is actually not hooked to the ground on the power plug. So I don't know if that's going to matter. I don't think it does, but it's the ground of the board. So now if we turn around and we see this television here, this is my television. It's a Toshiba. I put the model in the blog post, and I turn it on. I've tested this TV. So I've tested it before. So it works. So it's got an input on the front that's easy to access. And again, that's video 3. And I've tested this before with a DVD player. It doesn't have any problem. Here's my cable that I have. I cut one end of it, and at the end there's the shielding, there's a black, there's a red, there's a white, and there's a green. When I touch the red to the outside, I'll move this so you can hear this. I touch the red wire to the outside. So the red wire to the outside is ground. So on this, red is ground. And on here, the black wire, if I can get my hand straight, the black wire is the center pin. So on this, black is the center, red is the ground. If I touch the multimeter to anything else, these other 2 wires, the green and white don't go anywhere. So I could show that, but I'm not going to because it's hard enough to do this with filming. But the green and white don't go anywhere. So again, it's red is ground on this, etc. So again, the Pong's still running. So if I plug this in here, so it's in the video in, it's in the video in. Then I take the wires I had here, and we said red was ground. So yes, red was ground. So if I touch the red to the black here, and then the white to the black, and you look at the screen on the TV here, you see nothing's coming out. If I bump into this a little bit in different ways, you see like it doesn't do anything. So it's like nothing is, when I connect that signal, I'm touching those wires to these loops. Oh, like if you go on the screen, you can feel on the screen. You can see little bumping when I'm bumping into it. You can see these little artifacts coming in on the screen. So something's like going through these wires to the screen. Like you can see that, but it doesn't go through. So again, white to red. So I can go the black, which is the ground, to the red, and the white. Nothing comes through. And then if you film the Pong screen again, I'll put the white and black back on the Pong and you'll see it come back up. So you see it come back up? So that's all we've got. I'm sure I'm doing something stupid. Comment, let me know. So we'll see what we can do. Thanks.